Okay, so this is Letty, who's just done day 2 of the Complete Permanent Makeup Startup course with Katy, and today we've been practicing more and more on the brows. So Letty today has been very hot.
Very.
Yesterday...
27.
Oh really? It's very, very hot then. So we've been actually working on a lot of advanced brow techniques today. So you've actually got some of the work you've done there, so let's have a little look. Zoom in there. So what have you been doing today then? Yesterday you did really well, but you had a couple, like everybody, you had a few things that you took a little while to get used to. So what was the main issues yesterday that you wanted to improve today?
Well, I couldn't do it softer as this one.
Okay. So you were a bit heavy-handed yesterday, and
I was, yeah, but now with different needles, and Katy showed me some tips.
Yeah.
And yeah. Well, that's the result I got.
Excellent.
The result we were looking for, so yeah.
So you've actually learnt quite a few advanced techniques today.
Yeah.
Brilliant. And
very happy.
Excellent.
Very happy.
And also, obviously, a very important side of the business is actually the business side. And we had a chat today about you know, getting clients and websites and things like that. So was it useful to go through all that as well?
I think it was very useful because you might know how to do it, you might be the best, but when you don't know how to sell yourself and how to sell your product, nobody buys it. So I think that it's 50-50, the skills, and then you need to know how to sell what you can.
Yeah.
Yeah, so...
And did it sort of open your eyes a little bit about the sort of ways that we've done things in the past and the ways you can do it as well?
I think it opened my eyes, not little bit, but wide. So I can't wait to get back home and jump on the books and the videos and everything. So
yeah, because we're going to be helping you obviously a lot over the next couple of years on the business and mentoring side, and also we're going to be exciting to get a website done with you as well.
I can't wait.
So you've got a lot to be busy over the next few months, and we'll obviously look forward to chatting to you again once you've done your next day, and we'll have some live models in, and you'll be working on live people soon.
I can't wait.
Excellent.
I can't wait.
And have a good trip back tonight, and we'll look forward to seeing you again very soon.
Me too, thank you very much.
Cheers.